Picture this. You're involved in an accident, adrenaline is pumping, and you're just trying to make sense of what happened. But right then, before the dust settles, you're making decisions that could mean the difference between a fair recovery and fighting for scraps. Insurance companies hope you'll make mistakes. But today, I'm here to give you the winning playbook for maximizing your injury settlement. Hi, I'm attorney Jim Curtis. If you want the insurance companies to take you seriously and put real money on the table, you need to do these 5 simple things. Each one is a game changer for your case. So let's get started. First things first, call the police. Don't let the other driver talk you out of it. Always call the police after an accident. The crash report is one of the most powerful pieces of evidence you'll ever have. It documents who was involved, what happened, and whether someone got a ticket, like for running a red light or following too closely. Beyond that, police can document witness statements, road and weather conditions, and visible injuries. More importantly, when it comes to your injuries, which is what you'll be asking the insurance company to pay for, the crash report is your first chance to document any physical complaints you may have right at the scene of the crash. It doesn't get any better than that. Why does it matter? Because insurance companies love to deny claims when there's no official police record. If you don't protect yourself by getting police on the scene, it's your word against theirs, and you know whose side the insurance company is on. Number 2, seek immediate medical attention. If you want a strong case, don't try to shake it off or wait to see how you feel tomorrow. Even minor accidents can leave you injured, and symptoms often don't show up right away. Go to the hospital, urgent care, or your doctor as soon as possible. Medical records are the foundation of your case. They prove you got hurt and that you took your injury seriously. Insurance adjusters have one question: were you really hurt? Delaying medical care gives them the ammo to say, probably not. Going right away draws a direct line between your accident and your injury. And if you're in the state of Florida, make sure you get treatment within 14 days or you risk losing PIP benefits. But if you want to increase your settlement, you should really go sooner. Number 3, follow all of your doctor's recommendations. This is huge. After you see your doctor, follow every recommendation, whether it's physical therapy, medication, referrals to specialists, or rest. If your doctor says, don't lift heavy objects or go to rehab twice a week, do it. If you skip appointments, ignore your plan, or stop treatment early, the insurance company will argue that you aren't as hurt as you claim, or that you're responsible for ongoing problems. Think of it from the adjuster's view. Responsible people follow medical advice. If you do, your claim gets stronger. If you don't, your settlement shrinks. Keep records of every visit, prescription, and recommendation. It builds your case brick by brick. Number 4, call a lawyer. Let's be honest, insurance adjusters are not your friends. Their job is to save the company money, not help you recover. When you hire an experienced personal injury lawyer, you're sending a message that you mean business. Lawyers know the tactics adjusters use, calculate the full value of your claim, and negotiate for everything you're entitled to, including lost wages, pain and suffering, and future medical costs. If you want a truly fair settlement, get professional guidance right away. Your lawyer will protect your rights, cut through the insurance company's tricks, and make sure your voice is heard. Last but not least, number 5, be patient. Insurance companies love when you're desperate for a quick cash payout. They'll offer a fast but low settlement in hopes you'll take it and disappear. Your recovery takes time. Some injuries worsen, some costs pop up later, and you need to know the full extent of your damages. This takes time. Don't settle before completing treatment or getting a clear prognosis. With your lawyer guiding you, you'll know when the offer is fair and be ready to walk away from anything less. Patience means power. So let's recap. Call the police, get medical care right away, follow your doctor's orders, hire a lawyer, and take your time. Do these 5 simple things and you'll put the insurance company on notice. You're serious, prepared, and ready to fight for every dollar you deserve. Now that you know these simple things that can increase your injury settlement, be sure to check out this next video to learn how to properly use social media during your injury case. See you there.